The Krankcycle seated double forward push spin is an upper body cardio spinning exercise machine from Matrix that focuses on pushing and pulling. This strengthens the chest, back, shoulders, arms, and core. Kranking is a great calorie burning cardio option if you're not able to use your lower body due to an injury. There's also a standing and wheelchair accessible Krankcycle option that does not have a seat. To get started, place the headstock into forward position by unlocking it, then rotate it around so the bend of the crank arms are pointing towards your body, then lock it. Pull the lever to adjust the height of the headstock so it's close to chest level. You can increase or decrease the resistance by turning the knob with your free hand while continuing to crank with the other hand. Sit down on the seat, then grip both crank arms with your hands positioned side by side. Brace your abs, then push the handles away from you, then pull back in a nice smooth spinning motion. Repeat for time.
Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.